Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create Word picture in Microsoft Excel. So okay, let's start it. At first open your Excel document file, first list, then you show the Excel document from the chart, from the picture. Now shown, then you show the product name is the quality. Now for wait from the picture. This get from the Word picture. Firstly, now select from the data. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the par pie chart option. Okay. Then I show the quality from the chart. The move the small. Now click for the first chart is the Mojo 99 quality. Now for okay click. Now copy from the mouse right button option. Now for click copy. Then for chart from the double click. Now press from the mouse right button option. You would press from the Control V. Then again, second option is the dairy milk. Now for mouse right button option. Now for copy. Then for double click dairy milk parser. Now Control V is the paste. Again same process. That's it. Now click for the plus icon option. Now click for the legend option. Now click on the shadow option. For okay. Then edit from the quality. For okay. That's it. Then show the rename from the edit from the is. Then I show the carrot bar chart with the picture in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.